Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a streaming method and making the connection reliable. Install the PC and mobile companion apps now. Once done, enable USB debugging on Android or join the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi for wireless streaming. Use a high-quality USB 3.0 cable if you prefer wired streaming because it reduces latency and power drain. Make sure your PC's GPU driver and the mobile app are up to date. That prevents compatibility stalls and gives you the lowest lag right away. Once connected, configure the stream for performance. Lower resolution to 720p or 1080p and choose 30 to 60 FPS depending on your network. You do this because higher settings increase bandwidth and drop frames. Next, map touch overlays or pair a Bluetooth controller so controls feel native. Test inputs in a quick menu before playing. On PC, enable hardware encoder like NVENC or AMF and toggle low latency mode to reduce round-trip time. That keeps the game responsive on your mobile screen. To finish, optimize the environment. Lock phone orientation, close background apps, and enable Do Not Disturb so notifications won't interrupt the stream. If you see stutter or packet loss, switch to USB tethering. This often fixes wireless jitter, and restart the streaming app and the PC service to clear any hung sessions. If audio drifts, choose wired headphones on the mobile or resend the audio stream in the app settings. This usually resynchronizes sound and video quickly, so you can resume uninterrupted play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.